at Thermal Research and Development here today, and we're going to do the install on a Catback exhaust system for the 2018 and newer Kia Stinger. We've already removed the stock exhaust system and we're getting ready to install the front exhaust pipe. We're reusing the OEM catalytic converter gaskets and hardware. Lubricate up the stock hangers. And reinstall the original equipment nuts. At this time we're going to tighten the nuts down. The top ones we get with a long extension. And the belly crossover we're going to leave for the end install. And I'll take these 2.5 inch double compression clamps and slide them over the back of the exhaust system. We'll do this with the nuts on the outbound side and pointing down for clearance. We'll slide them all the way forward. I'm going to install the driver's side muffler. I'm going to support it up in place nice and level to the ground. We want about a 1/2 inch gap between the two pipes, anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Split that flange even. I'm going to snug it up. We won't over tighten it at this time. Go ahead and repeat that process on the passenger side. This time we're going to set our adjustment for maximum clearance and to make sure everything's even and level. At this time we're going to reinstall all the factory crossover braces. We're going to check all of our connections to make sure they're tight, wipe down the fingerprints, and we're ready to go.